Every month comes to the Purnima, full moon. Every month it comes regularly to remind us of what we have to do, what we can do for ourselves. We have to sit in meditation and draw energies from the cosmos, abundant energies. The whole full moon day is going away in the nature. It should be harnessed. All that energy should be harnessed. When you observe the breathing, the energy is harnessed and brought back to use. Energy must be used. Energy must be drawn and must be used wisely. That's what we are all here for. So full moon nights, cosmic energy is abundant. Infinite amount of cosmic energy is there, which energy runs the whole world, which is the fundamental energy. Cosmic energy is the fundamental energy. So you are with the fundamentals when you are with that cosmic energy. You observe the natural flow of your breath. You are with the flow of the cosmic energy. Breath and cosmic energy are same, synonymous. All the problems of the body vanished in cosmic energy. Whatever may be the problems arise because of lack of cosmic energy. As you become old, your energy content decreases naturally. When it decreases, when it crosses a limit, you die. That is a natural happening. If you don't want to die, you must keep up your energy balance. For this keeping of energy balance, this full Purnima days are very, very important. Every month they come. 3 days, they are energized here. Again in the month of May, most powerful meditation will be there, Buddha Purnima. Of all the Purnimas, that is the most powerful Purnima. May Purnima. 3 days will be there in the Pyramid Valley. All are welcome here for the May full moon meditation. May all of you come.